Hey guys, it's Crystal and today I'm back to do a video on fragrances for weddings. It is wedding season coming up as we're hitting May. We don't know what weddings are going to look like going forward. However, we know people are still getting married, so they may be a little more intimate, they may be a little smaller, they may be more outside. Who knows what they're going to be like. However, we still got to stay smelling fresh and pretty and beautiful for the people them's wedding. Now, whether it's your wedding, you're going to be the bride, or you're going to be a guest at someone's wedding, I have a couple perfumes that we can talk, well, a few perfumes that we could talk about that would be wedding appropriate. If these are the type of videos that you would like to see, please go ahead and rate and subscribe to my videos so that we can keep in touch and you can see my recommendations, purchases, and whatnot. No more long talking, let's get it started. My first suggestion is, and take any of these as you're the bride or the guest, okay? Because either way they're beautiful, they're delicate, they're feminine, they'd be good for outdoors, and so on and so forth. The first suggestion is Guerlain. This is beautiful. This is Guerlain. It's nice scent of lavender, bergamot, there's some vanilla, there's iris, patchouli, there's some musk, so on and so forth. I feel like it would be super delicate and nice. I can see it going for a guest or a bride because it's not going to overpower your guest. You're still going to smell great. The lavender makes it sort of fresh, a little stand out, a little comforting. It's very classy. As I said, it's not going to be a beast mode. You're not going to stand out the crowd, but you're going to smell beautiful. It's very dainty. It's very feminine. I can just see it. I could definitely see it at a wedding, period. It's absolutely nice. Nothing that will overpower anyone or trigger headaches or anything like that. Very beautiful. Guerlain, this is the Intense. A second one that I think would be great, as well as probably fits the theme, is Kilian's Rolling in Love. Now, first of all, if you're at a wedding, you are rolling in love already. It just gives you the feels being at a wedding. Either way, even if you ain't in love, it makes you feel like you need to be up in love. This will be beautiful, again, for outdoors. It's almond musk, there's iris, there's freesia, there's some tuberose, tonka, vanilla. It's very delicate. There's a little electronic vibes in it. It's not going to be too strong. You don't have to go hard with the pumps. Easy on the trigger. Again, very delicate. I can see you in your nice wedding garbs in this. As the bride, I can see you all in white. I can see your hair done, face beat. You're going to meet your husband at the altar. You're going to become a wife, or you're the guest. And you're sitting there at the table watching love unfold. You're rolling in love. I can see it. Rolling in love for a wedding. Gives me all the feels. Matches the entire vibe. Definitely. Makes me feel like I'm in love with this. So definitely one for the wedding. I know. What's Kilian doing though? Kilian, you killing us. This is Forbidden Games. I can so see this at a wedding. First of all, this is peach, it's apple, there's some plum, rose, jasmine, honey, vanilla. So first of all, you are matching spring and summer vibes just with the smell alone. You are smelling dainty. You're smelling like a woman. You smell fresh, clean. You're smelling sweet. I can see the sun hitting your bronzed skin as you're watching the love commence, or you're the bride again. I can see you down at the altar with your dress on, holding your daddy's arm, meeting your man and becoming a wife. I can definitely see it. So either way, guest or bride, I can see this because this is so pretty. It's memorable. It will be a nice wedding scent. Again, you may gotta slip the little vial in your purse or whatnot, because sometimes people are saying the longevity is not the best. That hasn't been my experience personally, but try it out ahead of time. As the guest, same thing, just slip that vial in your purse. Either way, forbidden games on a wedding, chef's kiss, I can totally see it. Bvlgari's Parfum. It's violet, carnation, there's some peach and orange blossom, iris, musk, sandalwood, a little amber. It's light, it's not doing too much, but you still smell dainty and fresh. All these iris notes, again, the little powdery vibe, that makes me think of love and, you know, that type of gathering and the celebration of love. It just makes me think about it. Violet, again, it's matching the outdoors. You're just smelling sweet. We're ready for action at the wedding. You're dancing and swaying to whatever music's gonna be playing, whether you're doing the whole cha-cha slide, the electric slide, whatever at somebody's wedding. I can see it, because this is real classy. This is super classy. This is one of my first perfume loves. I can totally see it. More so for the guest. I don't know if it provides enough pow for the bride, but definitely as a guest, this would be so nice when you're dressed up and you're in your heels, your hair is done, your face is beat. I can completely see this. This is so wedding for me. Like, I just can picture it. Heavy. Last but not least, if you are the type that wants to still smell like a snack, but a classic snack, I got your gourmand for you at the wedding, sis. This is Christian Dior's Fève Délicieuse. This is lavender, bergamot, there's some tonka, praline, sandalwood. I know there's got to be a little iris or something in here because it gives me a powdery vibe, which again reminds me of weddings, the delicacy of it, the femininity of it. I mean, this is beautiful. This is a tonka, or this is a gourmand that's still classy. Again, it's not gonna smell like you a whole food basket, you know, coming through. Doesn't you have to smell like you know, the candy little table tray that they have there. However, it's classy, it's beautiful, the longevity is there. It just gives you the feels. It's cozy. Like, I can see it, especially in a smaller gathering like we're probably gonna start having now. It won't overpower anybody. It won't do too much. People will appreciate it. They will likely compliment you on it when you're dressed up in your wedding gear. I can completely see it. Definitely Fève Délicieuse for a wedding. I can picture it. This is a gourmand that I feel like will match this setting. Alright, ladies, I have gone over what I feel like are the top 5 perfumes that you can wear this wedding season coming up as a guest or as a bride. I think it will be suitable. Tell me what your fragrances are that you're going to head out wearing as the guest or as the bride. Leave that down below. I hope that you subscribe and rate my videos. Thank you once again for watching. Comment down below. Stay safe and have a good day. Thank you. Bye.